Hey there! Are you thinking of hiring freelancers for your services? Here are 3 benefits of hiring freelancers. 1. Faster access to skilled talent. Independent workers demonstrate collaborative skills equivalent to most employees. They are also more accustomed to working independently with less supervision and report having higher levels of control over their work lives. This leads to higher personal productivity and efficiency. 2. Flexible hiring. Hiring freelancers is not just faster, it's also more operationally efficient. You can scale up a remote team to cover a last-minute project. You can contract freelancers for one-off projects, tasks, or deliverables, ongoing hourly or retainer-based work, part-time or full-time contingent contracts. 3. Fresh perspective and innovative thinking. Freelancers get to see many projects, large, small, successful, or complete flops. This builds up their knowledge across industries, functions, and operational practices. They also contribute ideas and fresh perspective based on their past experience and diverse industry or professional knowledge. By developing a strong base for the external workforce today, you can prepare your business for the future where you can. Did you find this useful? Are you thinking of hiring a freelancer now? Share this and follow for more.